how to deal with someone you became friends with, but after getting to know them, you realize they weren't the person you thought they were, and now you have a fallout, but you see them at the masjid. Okay, so this is a good question. And I think this relates to everyone kind of watching, because we all have relationships in our lives, right? What I would say is that it's very natural that sometimes you meet someone, you get in touch with them, and you have a good relationship with them, but then after a while, the relationship starts to go not so good, and you just find out that you're different people. Maybe it's not as you thought it was, right? So this is a very natural thing that happens. Now, what I would say is that for me, the way I deal with things like this is I always try and make sure that the relationship is on a very good level. Now, there's nothing wrong. I'm talking about friends, by the way. There's a difference between family, because with family, you have obligations to maintain ties, right? So just to clarify, I'm talking about friends. If you have a friend who you're good with normally you're good with him, and then you have a disagreement, what I would do is I would try and rectify that disagreement. So there was a brother, I remember I was talking to him and everything was good, and we've known each other for years. And then we had this conversation, which was really bad. Like he was like judging my intentions, and he was judging what I was doing, and he was thinking I was doing something else when I wasn't doing anything. And so it was really horrible the way it was left, right? Maybe similar to what you're saying. So what I did then is I basically waited a while, and after a while I contacted him again, and I was like, look, brother, you know what, the way it kind of ended last time was not good. I just want you to know that I'm here as your brother. Like, if you want advice, you want help from me, you want anything from me, I'm here for you. Like, do not ever think that I'm not here for you. And then I just started being normal with him and stuff like that. And then I was like, now it's normal. It's like, maybe it's better we keep our distance, because I don't want that to happen again. So what I would say is that if you've had a fallout with them, I would say that try and make it to a good level. So rather than fallout level, make it to a good level. Try and give them, like I said, give them gifts, look after them, ask them genuinely how they feel, how are things going, and just keep a good level, get it to a good level. And then if you want to step away and have a bit of distance, inshallah, that's fine. But again, that's friends, not family. Family, you just gotta keep loving them.